Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the TalkBack option. So let's start off by opening up settings. From here we're gonna scroll down to gonna check if it's in advanced features. So I can find it in the search bar, but I just don't know where it actually is. So as you can see, once you search for talk, it brings back TalkBack, and from here you can access it. TalkBack, turn it on, okay, and
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback.
so as you can see, or hear probably, it works. Now, I generally, once you enable it, you will need to change the way you navigate through the device. So now, whenever you want to actually accept something, you need to press on it, it gets selected, and then you double press it to confirm it. Now, the off-screen buttons work just fine in a single click, so there's no worry in that one. And when you're trying to scroll up and down on pages or through pages, you will now need to use 2 fingers instead of 1. So, as you can see, using 2 fingers works just fine. Using 1, it does not. So, I'm going to turn it off. So again, going to the TalkBack. And there we go. So I can use the phone normally. So that is how you turn it on and also off. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.